Today I wanted to fire up some test projects on a 3D printer, and luckily enough, Magforms sent me a couple of rolls of filament to test out. So that's what we're going to be using today for our test project. Now, first impressions right out of the box, it comes shipped in this box here, and it is vacuum sealed, of course, with the desiccant in there to keep the humidity out. That's something that you want to be mindful of with your roll, so it's good that they did that. But we're going to open it up and put it on the 3D printer and see how it prints. All right, let's open this up. So again, this is the Magforms PLA filament. And one thing to know right away is that this is a refill roll. It doesn't come on a spool. So you'll want to have a reusable spool on hand or plan to grab one separately before printing with this. And quick heads up, keep the straps on until it's mounted. I definitely got ahead of myself here and learned that the hard way. It does say right on the packaging that it's designed for a reusable spool system. Once it was mounted, it ran really well. I did get a couple little blips right at the start because my roll unraveled a bit and the tension was off, and that was totally on me, not the filament. But after that, it printed clean, and here's the finished piece. Nice detail, clean layers, and the color looks great. If you've got a reusable spool ready to go and keep the straps on until it's mounted, you should be good to go.